Rachel Lynch. Come on, Ted Kevin.
Thank you.
Enjoying holiday?
Yes.
Enjoying the park, Anthony? Enjoying Paul?
Yeah.
Yeah? How is the walk, guys?
Good.
Enjoying the walk?
Yes.
Yeah, natural view, peace, fresh air.
Yes, it's a beautiful view.
Yeah.
Can't come on with it.
True. Easter, everyone.
Easter, everyone.
So now we have to find some Easter eggs that's been hidden. So there are 3 eggs. So try to get from that tree to this area. There are 3 eggs. So you guys need to go and find those eggs. Okay? Ready? Ready? One. Everyone will get 1 egg. There's 3 eggs.
One at a time.
Yeah, you will go at the same time and start searching for eggs.
Yeah.
Okay? Come on, hurry up. Yeah. Everyone will get on. Look at that. He got the first egg. Okay. Where is the next? Come on. Here you go. Got the second one.
Yeah.
Okay, now the last one. Boom! You got the third one. That was really quick, to be honest. Cowboys! Hey, come on, help me out back and make a little bit of noise! Rachel Lynch! Come on, Ted Kevin! Get out of there!
Come on, Darcy Fox, the upright, he's got the one they call Saltbush. Hey, we got one started again. Come on, young man, stay there, make a little bit of noise for him, Bucket. Pulls his rope, gets off, yeah, our bullfighters move in. Hey, once again, I said we are the...
Good job, Peter. Come on.
Yeah.